Hey there, I'm Corey Brown with Sadatech. We're down here today on the Gulf Coastal Plain in Lower Alabama, and we're here to introduce you to Lowell Bristol, who has been working with DeerWall this year. If you like your peanuts, this is one of the parts of the world that contributes heavily to your happiness and satisfaction. They haven't been able to produce peanuts much in this corner of this crop. The reason is all this fine cover behind us allows the deer to grow and they can start damaging a nice crop. But this year, Lowell's had the opportunity to use DeerWall.
I had no hopes when I first started. Last 4 or 5 years is no production. Just the deer would eat it back to the ground, basically. We'll see what we got now.
You replanted it and you've used some DeerWall out here.
That's correct.
The crop predation problem is basically under control. And right now, you're actually looking at good rows. You've got the middle starting to fill in. I call it canopy coverage. You call it?
Peanuts are trying to lap.
They're lapping.
And they are lapping on out in the field.
You see deer when you come down to this field?
Yes, sir. Most all the time.
But they're not browsing this down.
No, they normally just on the edges. They have to run across the field, basically.
Here you can see this small deer who's been through here. You can see where that deer was going, and that's what we're dealing with. Is this the start for being successful?
I think so.
I like hearing that. Sorry, dear.
Yeah.
What he sees as results. DeerWall is a great product for helping you manage deer predation on your crops.